What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and that's probably because you haven't hit the bell. Thank you again for all your support. We're so proud of the amazing community that we've built. So we're just taking a quick look at Polygon here, and as you can see, it is actually hitting some of our price targets, which we have been talking about for a little while. So doing 8 videos today, so we're going to be really quick. But as you can see, we've obviously got our overall range. We've been talking about this for so long now. But you can see we actually, some of these targets are actually starting to come to fruition. We've got a smaller little range, probably looking reasonably, you would say, you could say something like this when we're looking at actual candles. So basically what's happened is we've come all the way down. We've got a big fake out to the downside of all of this, didn't we? Looking something like this. Actually, our range was actually looking something like this, wasn't it? Range coming like this, coming all the way down, fake out to the downside, we bounce up, we get back above all of our EMAs here, looking really bullish. Once they're flipped into support, you can see we come all the way up to our first price target at 152. We come up to the next price target at 172. We roll over, bounce perfectly after, losing the 20 here off the 55, coinciding nicely with the bottom of the range. We come up again to around, what is this, the 152 level. We get the bounce to the upside all the way up to around, what is this, almost 180. And then we had a bit of a, retracement here. We're back testing that previous level of resistance into support. So looking really bullish. This small range here looks as though it has been somewhat conquered. And you can see now quite clearly our next price target breaking out of this level here would be, the top of the overall range, coming in and around 195. $2. Obviously $2 is going to be a very strong psychological resistance. But that would be our next price target. And you can see quite clearly overall we're on a journey back to the upside, aren't we? We're breaking out of all of these resistances. Polygon has been consolidating nicely to the side, which is really good to see. Because obviously you do want to see things making a good amount of support before the next run up. And you can see quite clearly that's what's happened. Things have been looking really good. And yeah, things looking really bullish. Polygon looking really strong. Obviously a lot of fundamental good news. And the price is starting to reflect the market in general. Bitcoin getting above 50k clearly. A lot of cryptocurrency starting to pump. So short-term price predictions then. If we do fall back inside this range, you'd expect the 20 here to hold. If we do fall over, and then obviously the 55 as well. The 20 coming in at around that 152 level. The 55 coming in at around 135. And then if we do pump to the upside, as we said, our next price target realistically is coming in at around 195 here. Basically moving to the upside to, test the top of that whole range resistance. So those are our short-term price predictions. And as we always say, if we just throw the fib retracement in on here, pulled from high to low, you can see some price targets. Once we break out the all-time high in the next few weeks, which we probably will, we've got the 127 coming in at around $4, the 141 coming in at around $4.80, we've got the 161 coming in at around $6.50, and then the 227 coming in at around all the way up at around $17. But we do think $5 to $10, very reasonable price targets coming in at around from here to here. So that's it guys, we'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos that we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalist.